You got the raise, maybe even the promotion. Your paycheck went up, but somehow, at the end of the month, there is still nothing left. You are not imagining it, and you are not bad with money. You are just caught in one of the most psychologically sophisticated traps ever built. It is called lifestyle creep. And it is why 40% of households earning $500,000 a year still feel like they are living paycheck to paycheck. Today, we break down exactly how it works, the 3 traps that keep you stuck, and the 1 behavioral shift that breaks the cycle permanently. Welcome to Success Symptoms. Let's get into it. Lifestyle creep, also called lifestyle inflation, is what happens when your spending increases at exactly the same rate as your income. You get a raise, you upgrade the apartment, you trade the used car for a lease, you start ordering delivery instead of cooking. None of these feel like big decisions, but together, they silently erase every dollar of progress you just made. The Bureau of Economic Analysis found that Americans saved an average of just 3.8% of disposable income in December 2024. The same Americans whose wages kept growing. The money came in batty, and the money left. Because lifestyle creep is not a spending problem. It is a psychology problem. Trap 1 is the most dangerous because it is the hardest to reverse. Fixed cost creep. When income goes up, we upgrade fixed expenses, the things we pay every single month, no matter what. Bigger apartment, better car payment, premium subscriptions, club memberships. These feel small individually, but fixed costs are different from variable spending. You cannot just decide to skip them when things get tight. Experts recommend keeping housing under 30% of income and vehicle costs under 15%. Most people blow past both the moment a raise hits, and once those fixed costs are locked in, your new floor just became your old ceiling. Trap 2 is where behavioral finance gets dark. Your social environment sets your financial baseline. When the people around you upgrade, their cars, their vacations, their apartments, your brain recalibrates what normal looks like, and then you spend to match the new normal. Fortune reported that roughly 40% of Americans have overspent specifically to impress someone else, not to enjoy something, to perform it. This is lifestyle creep as a social contagion. You are not spending for yourself. You are spending for an audience that is also broke, also performing, and also wondering where their paycheck went. Trap 3 is the one nobody shows you, the compound cost of lifestyle creep. It is not just what you spend, it is what that money would have become. Here is a real number. If you redirect just $500 a month, the cost of a mid-range car leasee, into an index fund earning 8% annually, in 20 years, that is $294,000. Gone. Not because you spent it on something dramatic, because you quietly upgraded your life every time your paycheck went up and never noticed the math happening in reverse. Lifestyle creep does not steal your money, it steals your future. Here's the behavioral shift that breaks the cycle. It is called the raise-split rule. Every time your income increases, split it. Half goes to lifestyle, half goes to wealth. Not 80 to 20, not 90 to 10, 50-50, because you deserve to enjoy the progress you make, but your future self deserves to exist too. The people who build real wealth do not earn more than you. They just decided, at some point, that the next raise was not going to disappear into a bigger apartment and a nicer car. They split it, and then they let compounding do the rest. That is wealth psychology. That is the edge. And now you have it. If this channel is hitting different from everything else you watch about money, subscribe, drop a comment, tell me what your lifestyle creep trap is, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Success symptoms. We do not chase wealth, we understand it.